Hello everybody, this is Michael Gorman, 4929 in my YouTube video. I'm here at Carlisle Fairground, Carlisle, Pennsylvania, 2026 All Chrysler National. Of course, you see what's behind me. That is just a replica, but it's interesting to see. This section is called Car Corral. This is a place where they bring their classic for sale, buying or selling. I'll give you a view. It's not crowded now because it's getting dark, so it gives me room to look around. Okay, right here, right in front of me, is a replica of 1969 Dodge Charger Daytona NASCAR by a company named Quinity Motor Company. We buy cars. So they did some work on it. It's all custom. Took out the interior, took out the back seat, tried to make it look like a NASCAR. And like I said, NASCAR replica, 69 Dodge Daytona, with all the goodies. Original as Charger RT. RT stands for road track, street legal. And this is a super awesome and unique build. Originally built as a movie hero car. We purchased and made it street legal, installed a fresh engine, trans, as well as other new parts, many new parts. We driven the car hundreds of miles, loaded with fun, truly one of a kind. Clean title and original VIN. Car is not cut up and can be very easily finished in the street. Daytona or about the RT Charger. Yay! Not my favorite color. So that's just one of it. Now more original is lime and green Superbird. Yep. 1970 Plymouth Superbird.
It's not like a, with a convertible top.
Roadrunner and Superbird.
I bought fucking
Beep beep. These are truly functional. It's not just for look. It's for extremely high speed, keep the backside stable. So it doesn't fishtail, anything like that. And at the backside, got nice chrome dual exhaust. Rear window, flush. Part of aerodynamic. I always like the vent window. And it's also part of aerodynamic effects. And the fender.
It's
scoop.
It's
Lock pin.
So the rabbits sit out there.
And a nose cone. And it's a 70 Hemi Challenger convertible. If it's original, then it'll be extremely rare. You got the shifter, grip shifter, manual. Like this blue. I see this guy driving by. It's Chrysler Newport. Yep. I like the fuel cap, the style of it. It just press, pops up. Real spoiler. (1970) Dodge Challenger. And the underside, neat they put that mirror, you can see the underside. Very clean. I always like this door handle. Chrome sports mirror. So I keep walking around. 64 Plymouth, 62 Mac Wedge style. Rotisserie restore. Shifter, no thrill. Radio deleted. No, I want to make it. This is a 2006 Dodge Dakota. I used to have a 2005 blue. They're good chassis, very comfortable, 4x4. Very good condition, no rust. And this flatbed with a style, a 57 Dodge. Of course, it's not original layout. I'm sure it has some modification to it. Comes to the Cummins, turbo diesel. That's the add-on. This is original, that's not original. Also not original, but modernize it. And made it to the flatbed. I mean, yeah, it got style to it. Got some personality to it. Here's a Belvedere, Plymouth, 1963, Plymouth Belvedere. It says it's got 426 wedge motor. This is before the Hemi motor. It didn't come out till 1966. Oh yeah, I don't know, you can see it. It's got that push button transmission, forward, reverse, neutral. Okay, next one here is a Roadrunner, 1970 Plymouth Roadrunner convertible. F8 green, look like dark green, and a convertible. They're kind of rare. They made about 1,500 of them, of a Peabody and a convertible. So that's pretty special. Here's what it says. 383. 323 rear differential, got power steering, power disc brake. Oh, okay, FE8 green. That's the code for this color. Okay, one only 658 built, one an only few Y07 Canadian export built for the U.S. spec. Original interior, 90,000 original miles on it. All codes are met, all numbered matching. Got the red line tire, the graphic, beep beep. I showed you this before, but here's the Dodge RT. This is a Coronet, 1970. I always like the bumper style to it. An RT. RT stands for road track. Let's go. So Dodge Coronet RT, 1970. It's rotisserie restore. And she's on the. Can read this. It's the Plymouth Valiant convertible. Original radio, check that out. AM radio, original, with a push button or a turny dial. Oh yeah, that's cute. Yep. '66 Plymouth Valiant convertible. For sale. It is for sale. There's another Dodge Coronet RT 70. It's a palm crazy purple. And this here right in front of me is Super Bee, lime green, 1970 Dodge Super Bee. Yeah, you see the Super Bee. Ram Charger. It's all piece of fiberglass orange for air induction. It's a 383 cubic inch.
Yeah.
Big block V8. Like they have a chrome alternator. Of course, this is not original batteries.
It's just weird that they end it like that and never went into the doors. Yeah. I've never understood that, why they never went into the doors for these
FY4s for the color code. This here is your VIN number. I think it is. Let me double check. 2619. 2619. That's the VIN number. The one right above it is a dealer or a special order number. Dealer order number. Then you go back. It's all the option and try to figure out what the build date, the month. They go by the alphabet and the number for a build date. You got to read from right to left, right to left, right to left, and this is where it ends on top.
They never went to the door again, but they never went further. Hey. You got so much there, at least bring it to a point.
Nice decal, bucket seat. It's got the shifter. I don't know if you can see it. 4-speed manual trans with a grip. Super Bee. It's for Virginia. Don't tread on me. Oh, this is a station wagon, late 78, 79. Of course, it's all modified to make a badass National Lampoon on Vacation, Wally World. Oh yeah, all these maps. Yeah, before the GPS, you gotta rely on read those maps. Way back in the days. I don't know if they still make maps in individual state. Yeah, went to the Wally World. Kind of better direct connection and more horsepower. Hot Rod Family Trucker, yeah. Kind of taking an inspirational. So actually, it's the 1977 Plymouth Ferrari station wagon. Well, it's got original model. So maybe that's why it's good condition. Otherwise, they're all rusted out. They label unleaded fuel. They started in 1975. They implemented unleaded fuel, part of the EPA mandated. EPA, Environmental Protection Agency. So you have it. Big cranker reel. I mean, a little bit odd, but it's a very good condition overall. It's the 1969 Super Bee 6-pack, triple 2-barrel carburetor. That's what the 6-pack stands for. Fiberglass with all these are A12 option. There's no hood spray. It's not gonna go like this. It's lift up. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you lift up. You can put it on the roof or on the side. 1969 and a half, A12. That's the A12. That's the A12 option. Very rare color combination. 440 6-pack 4-speed deluxe interior bucket with console, tick-tock clock, and tech 8-track. Oh, it got an 8-track tape. Oh, okay, and FM 8-track. And the shifter 4-speed. Got the center console. I like the wood grain on the center console. It reminds me of Plymouth Satellite, Sports Satellite. It is white roof. You don't see a whole lot of white roof. I see mostly black. But there are very few with other color as well. It's just plain Jane rim with the red line. Super Bee. Walk over there. Now here comes my favorite color. B5 blue, B3's light, 5 medium, B7 blue would be the darker one. This is 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner. Beep beep. Yep. You want to they look like unrestored original beep beep horn for Roadrunner. That look like an unrestored. Maybe never been rebuilt.
All you gotta do is change the hood.
It's 383.
The only difference in the fenders is there's a little.
Yeah, okay, see right here? That's the color code, B5. So it's also the exterior and the interior. And what imagine the VIN number? Okay, RM23 stands for B body. This is the B body. And the VIN number 3319. Okay, right here. I'm sorry. That's the VIN number. Right here. 3319. Okay. And it's blue. Blue interior. I don't know if I can open the door. Oh yeah, I can open the door. It is blue. Blue on blue. Blue interior. B5. Original carbon. So probably it's original condition. Because most of the time I see it's black on the interior. It's got the tech. 87,024 miles, original mile, I'm assuming. Original mile. It smells good in there. The armrests. Automatic, standard automatic. Is that BP? I don't know if Yep, that's BP. Yep. Anything else? It's in very good condition. Oh, this is for the mirror. Feng window. Very nice. It's perfect. My favorite color. Oh, it closes real good. Lines up. So this is original condition. I could tell by looking at here. If you have a repop, a reproduction quarter panel, it would be really thick. We got an original old license plate, Virginia, 1969. Chrome, dual exhaust. There's a Roadrunner sticker. This is my personal favorite. This is my personal favorite. It reminds me of my neighbor used to have a 1969 Plymouth Sports Satellite. B5 blue, but it has a black vinyl top and a pinstripe along the bottom of the side of the car. Yeah, so it's my personal favorite one. And here's a 1971 Plymouth Roadrunner. Kind of like it looked like a shape of a bullet. Just imagine when they made it like in the Superbird, aerodynamic, but they never did. But I know that they made it custom made, like original. With the air grabber, pops up for a ventilator. Oh, signal, turn signal, hook lock pin, sports mirror, bucket seat, black. Oh, it's got a 4-speed shifter. And this is more comfortable. According to the original owner, they like the way it rides. This is like the original style of tire, Polyglide polyester tire, G60 15-inch rim, Goodyear. Of course, 71. 72 is different, but the same body style. And of course, 73, they changed it so for the 5 miles per hour bumper standard. He's from Indiana. He's got the dual exhaust. Kind of like the shape of a body, very round off, a bit of aerodynamic. Windshield. Radio antenna. And once again, right turn signal. Okay, here, the Plymouth Duster, 1970, Palm Crazy Purple with 340, small block. And this is what they call an A-body. I'm gonna turn this around. I got a better, yeah, A-body. Yeah, I get a better view. Wedge 340, graphic. Oh, this here on the dash is called broadcast sheet. Chrysler Corporation Car Production broadcast sheet. They got the VIN number, all the information, what comes with the car, what the month of the year were produced at the factory, everything. Usually they stuff it behind underneath the back seat, usually. So 1971 Plymouth Duster with 340. For the southern state, originally from Carolina, southern state. So no rust issue. Possibly restoration. I remember the auto show back in 1970, first time I went to the International Auto Show. I remember the sticker, Duster, like a tornado. I believe from North Carolina. And that's my favorite one. Quick look over. Most likely it could be a survivor, unrestored. How simple that is. You got the little bit of a patina. The horn right there I mentioned you earlier. Okay, right behind this one is mid-70s Dodge Dart Sports. 1973. I like to point out the bumper. 5 mile per hour bumper requirement for the 73 and up. I'm surprised it didn't have that thick rubber on it in the front of it. They must have took it off. Flat final. This is what it's called corporate blue or petty blue. He's from Indiana. I really like the color. But that one right in front of it, my favorite. I think that's, I'm gonna walk over. There's a pickup truck, late 80s Dodge pickup truck. Yep. This is a 1988 Dodge Ram pickup, the first generation of Ram. Got a gold pinstripe. The wheels are not original, but it's beautiful. Power Ram. And I don't know, it is a 4x4. Yeah, I can see it underneath. It is a 4x4. And it says 1988 Dodge Ram. W100 4x4, 54,000 miles, original, 318 throttle body inject, automatic transmission, co-AC, original interior. It's been repainted, original red color, original chrome and trim, added LE grill insert, and the LE tailing. Southern rust-free truck, yeah, that's true. Runs and drive great, very tight. New front brake job. One for $2,500. $27,500. And the hood ornament. Ram. Dodge Ram. Pretty cool. And the front of it. Really nice. It's like new. Okay, that's locked, all right. Bench seat. The bed, very clean. I wouldn't be surprised nowadays. They might buy these and use it as a daily driver. They would rather buy this than a brand new, all that computer, loaded with defects. Don't know how to fix it. Expensive if it does break down. But they'd rather have something simple, easy to work with. Here it is. 1988 Power Ram, the first generation. Okay, I think that pretty sums it up for now. There's more of it outside. This one right here, original paint with a patina. It's going to get dark soon. 1971, you can always tell. The 71, 72 is different. It's original, right? The graphic, some form of deterioration. It's a B5 blue. The color code, the sun element. I don't see any major rust on it. It's got the shifter. See that I got a crack in the dashboard. Bench seat. .383. Got the hood pin. It's a fair condition, not bad. So that is the car corral, this section, and on the field as well. It's gonna get dark soon. This beige matte, no, this is the late 70, 78 or 79. Got a bit of a nice flush aerodynamic, the headlight. Very good condition. Cream puff. Fair price, 79 Dodge Magnum. Second owner, 34. It's a low mileage car, no wonder. Garage kept, obviously. I don't know if it's a Cordanian leather seat, maybe. Automatic. It's not a muscle car, it's more like a luxurious. Compete with like Chevy Monte Carlo or Ford Thunderbird. It's got the historical plate on it, PA. From Allentown, Pennsylvania. Oh, so it's been in PA for all its life. And these, what you call it, project cars. Not a good condition, but it's a project. This is 73 or 74. Alright, so it's getting dark. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe my YouTube channel, Michael Gorman 4229. Drop me a comment, give me a like. Oh, that's a 68 Barracuda. Can always tell. 68. Always tell. Alright, so that's it for now. Hope you enjoy it. Ciao.